new smart outlet requires a gateway. Download the Legrand Home Plus Control app to see full gateway installation instructions. This video will show you how to install both Radiant and Adorn smart outlets, each of which utilizes Netatmo technology. These are the tools you'll need for the install: a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver, a flashlight, pliers, electrical tape, wire strippers, and a voltage tester are also helpful. Plug a light or a fan into the outlet and turn it on. Then turn off power to the outlet at the circuit breaker and confirm power is now out to both outlets. Unscrew the existing wall plate and use your voltage tester to be sure everything is safe and there's no power. Before removing the old device, it may be helpful to take a quick photo of how it's wired to refer to later. Now check your wiring. The hot or line wire receives power from the circuit box. Don't touch the hot wire or let it contact any other wires when the power is turned on. Your box may also contain a load wire to connect additional downstream devices. The white neutral wire creates a path to return current to the power source. Your box may contain additional neutral wires for downstream devices. Finally, the ground wire provides a safe path for electricity in the event of a short circuit. To identify which is the hot wire in your wall, turn the circuit breaker back on. Without touching any exposed wires, test each wire with the voltage tester. The wire with no power is the load wire, and the wire with power is your hot. Now that you've determined which is which, go back and turn off your circuit breaker. Connect the white neutral wire or wires in the box to the line white terminal on the device. When connecting each wire, loosen the terminal screw, insert the wire into the terminal slot, and tighten the terminal screw until the wire is secured. To ensure all other outlets downstream from this smart outlet are always on, connect both the hot and load wires to the line or hot terminal. To control this outlet and downstream outlets, connect the hot wire to the line terminal and the load wire to the load terminal. Finally, connect the ground wire from the box to the ground terminal on the side of the device. The grounding terminal screw is green in color. Once everything is connected, gently fold the wires into the electrical box, being careful not to pinch or loosen any wires. Use included screws to secure your device to the electrical box. Be sure you don't over-tighten the screws or your device will not sit flush to the wall. Now you're ready to test the smart outlet. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker and check that the indicator light is on, showing the device is active. Your smart outlet has one switch-controlled outlet and one always-on outlet. Plug a lamp into each outlet and use the switch to make sure that the switch-controlled outlet is working. To set up your system, download and launch the Legrand Home Plus Control app from the App Store or from Google Play. Follow the instructions from your app to finish setting up your device. To attach the Radiant wall plate, align the subplate over the device screws and secure it using the screws provided. Push the screwless plate down until it snaps into place. For an Adorn device, simply push the wall plate firmly onto the metal frame until it snaps into place. To learn more, visit us online